Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Klaviyo. If you're looking to make your email campaign stand out with custom typography that matches your brand identity, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, you'll want to head over to klaviyo.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your dashboard without any delays. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard where all your campaign tools are located. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Click on Content, and from the submenu that appears, select Templates. This is where all your email templates are stored and managed, making it easy to maintain consistency across your campaigns. Next, you'll need to choose the specific template where you want to add your custom fonts. Browse through your templates and click on the one you'd like to customize. After selecting it, click Edit Template to open up the template editor. This is where all the design magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll see the layout of your email. Look for a text block within your email design and click on it. This selects the text element you want to modify, allowing you to access all the formatting options available. At the top of the editor, you'll notice a font drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Add Font. This opens up the font customization panel where you can bring in new typefaces to use in your emails. Now you'll see three different methods to add fonts. You have Google Fonts, Adobe Fonts, and Import Font. Each option gives you access to different font libraries, but for this example, we'll use Google Fonts since it offers a wide selection of free, high-quality typefaces. Click on the drop-down menu under Google Fonts and browse through the available options. Choose a font that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and click on it to select it. You'll notice that the preview updates to show you how the font will look in your email. Right below your font selection, you'll see an option called Fallback Font. This is an important safety feature. The fallback font will be used when your web font can't be loaded by the browser, ensuring your email still looks professional even if there's a loading issue. Click the drop-down menu under it and select a fallback font that's similar in style to your chosen font. Finally, click Add Font to confirm your selection and apply it to your template. The new font is now available in your font drop-down menu and ready to use across your email campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully added custom fonts to your Klaviyo templates, giving your emails a unique and branded appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.